Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 40 and let me show you how to activate night mode on this device. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select display. And here you will notice night light. So you can either activate it right now by using the switcher, but also by tapping on the left side of the button you can customize it. So at first you can change the intensity. And you can also schedule night light. Click on schedule and now you can turn it on either on from sunset to sunrise or at custom hours. If you want to customize it, just click on at custom hours and then select start and end time. So that's it. This is how you can use night light. Enjoy, protect your eyes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.